Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool single slot payphone. This is Harold's equipment from Arizona, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool payphone. Now we're going to be converting this payphone, and Harold is going to use this at his business for his customers so that they can make phone calls. And Harold is not interested in this payphone taking any change. It also does not have a coin validator. Now Harold has a T key, and that's all he's going to use to access the inside of this unit. Harold has a payphone enclosure that he's going to install this payphone in, and so that's really cool. We're going to be converting this payphone, and we want to build up our tone generator circuits, so we're going to take care of that issue. We also want to troubleshoot the handset security cable, and we will utilize that cable if it troubleshoots to be good. Now Harold wants the handset replaced because the handset on this payphone is a little beat up. So we're going to replace the handset with a new handset. We're going to install a bell and a bell circuit. We also need to install a modular port so that Harold can install this payphone and simply bring in any line cord he chooses, any length, any color, and plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of this really cool payphone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool single slot payphone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention our amplifier. We have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the payphone. And we have that amplifier connected to the inside of the payphone, and that's where we're going to pick up our audio. Now what we can do is use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We can walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this payphone is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, June 14th. The current time, 4:30 p.m. and the temperature, 91 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool single slot payphone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Harold and he can enjoy this payphone. Now, like we mentioned earlier, he has an enclosure that he's going to install this payphone in for his customers to be able to make phone calls when they're at his business. That's a pretty cool idea. I'm sure it's going to look great. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.